Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Grok 3 on mobile. In order to do so, here we are in the App Store for iOS, but you can do the same thing on the Google Play Store. All we're going to do is search for Grok. And here you can see it will show up, and we've already got it installed, so all we have to do is click on Open. And then you can see for yourself that we are using Grok 3 up at the top here. So if you're looking for the chat history, on the left-hand side, you're going to see these two-line menu. And if you just click on that, then that's going to open up your chat history. And then from here, if you want to use voice mode, create images, edit images, analyze doc, customize Grok, you can use any of those functions here at the bottom. You can begin your conversation with Grok. You can attach files. You can use the deep search function. You can use the think function, and you also have voice mode as well. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips.